You may have heard that glass is actually a very slow-moving liquid, and that old windows are thicker at the bottom because the glass has slowly flowed downward over centuries. It sounds fascinating. It is completely false. Glass is a solid. Full stop. The myth comes from observations of medieval cathedral windows, which are often thicker at the bottom. But this isn't because the glass flowed. It's because of how glass was made in the Middle Ages. Medieval glassblowers created glass by spinning molten glass into circular discs, which were thicker at the edges. When cut into panes and installed, glaziers would logically place the thicker, heavier edge at the bottom for stability. Some windows are thicker at the top, but nobody talks about those. Glass is technically classified as an amorphous solid. It lacks the crystalline structure of materials like salt or iron, which is why some people call it a supercooled liquid. But at room temperature, glass does not flow. The rate at which it would move is so slow, it would take longer than the age of the universe to be measurable. What other fascinating science fact have you heard that turned out to be wrong? The misconception is so widespread that it appears in textbooks. A professor at UCLA spent years debunking it and found that even some physics teachers believed it. The myth is more persistent than most scientific truths.